This right here is my 1983 Porsche 944, whichever way you want to say it. Right now the car does not start. Previously I had changed out the fuel pump and I've just changed out the injectors. And I tried starting it and it did not work. I'm assuming because there was no gas in it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
So I'm gonna hook up this battery here right now. I just put some gas in, so we'll see. All right. Oh shit. Okay. The injector all the way over here is not seated in correct at all. And it's just fucking squirting like crazy. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay, we'll see if that fixes anything. Ready? Yeah. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay, so we are getting gas up here. Yeah, I don't. Okay, so we got the bag secured here. Let me just show you. Bought 2 of these, so we'll see how that goes. But let's get all the old ones out first before I even think about putting these new ones in.
Yes! Yes! Oh yeah!
Alright, y'all, so I'll show you what we got going on right now. I have them both unbolted. Here, let me get my phone for flashlight. Alright. So, if you can see those 2 little terminals down there, those 2 little thingies, I just sprayed penetrating fluid all over that. So hopefully they'll like free up.
He does not want to come out. Does not want to budge.
So we were not able to get started today. But don't worry, we'll be back. We'll make our comeback. So I ordered a new DME relay and I ordered a new DME. And the car still doesn't start.